You are here with Selah Hunter. Today I am going to bake a cell model for Mr. Bush's class, for Mr. Bush's science class. And the model today is the 7-Up pound cake. The things we are going to be using today are the mixer, some measuring cups, eggs, vanilla, and lemon extract, butter, flour, sugar, and 7-Up. Let's begin. The nucleus in this model is the sugar, the eggs, and the butter. The sugar, eggs, and butter are the core of the cake, as in the nucleus is in the core of the cell. But now I'm going to add the butter. This kind of kills people. Just get in there. Okay, it got in there real quick. Now I'm going to add the sugar, which are the lipids, and the eggs, which are the proteins. So I'm pouring this in here. Let's see. That's not shit, people. And here are the eggs. I think that's 1 scoop. Ooh, oops, I messed up. Okay. In between the process, we have been using the mixer. The mixer is the endoplasmic reticulum, or the ER. The ER makes the lipids and the proteins by carrying the materials from one part of the cell to another. As in, the mixer has been putting the sugar and the eggs, stirring it around the cake. Now I'm going to add the flour, which is the cytoplasm. For you all who didn't know, the cytoplasm contains all of the fluids that makes the cell. And the flour holds everything together. As I said, I'm going to now add the flour, just a little bit at a time, and let's see, it's going to take, almost done. Since I am done with that, I will have 1 tablespoon of vanilla, pure vanilla. Alright. That's good in here. Okay. And some lemon extract. Be careful. Okay. Now that all of the other ingredients are done, we are going to add the 7-Up. The 7-Up is the mitochondria, and the mitochondria produces most of the cell's energy, while the 7-Up produces most of the cells of the cake's taste. So now I'm going to pour this in and hope nothing, spills. Now, as you can see, we have added all of the ingredients. I've started pouring the batter into the cake pan. If you couldn't tell, there's the foil under the cake pan. That is supposed to be the lysosome. The lysosome catches the things we don't need in the cell. As in, this foil is going to catch the overflow, if there is an overflow, while it is cooking. Now I'm going to pour the batter into the cake pan. So the oven is open, and I'm about to open this oven a little bit more because we all go down here. And I am about to place the cell or the cake into. Okay. See you in an hour. It has been 1 hour, and I have poured the cell membrane or the icing onto the cake. This hole in the middle of the cake is also the vacuum rolls. That is where the extra icing falls into. I have the Gorgie apparatus in my hand, and the Gorgie apparatus is supposed to prepare organelles for the jobs. As in this knife, it's preparing me to be able to eat this slice of cake. Oh, that actually looks real good. I will put my DNA or recipe away. And I'll put my Selah on to keep it away from my dad and my brother. Thank you for watching my project for Mr. Bowen's science class, and have a good day.